What is personal property coverage for homeowners insurance? Imagine coming home to find that a fire or theft has taken your cherished belongings. How would you recover? This is where personal property coverage in homeowners insurance comes into play. It is designed to help you repair, replace, or get reimbursed for your personal items if they are damaged, destroyed, or stolen due to a covered event. This coverage includes items inside your home, such as furniture, clothing, electronics, appliances, tools, and kitchenware. What about your valuable items? Personal property coverage can also protect jewelry, artwork, and collectibles. However, for some high-value items, you may need additional coverage called scheduled personal property or riders to ensure full protection. Typically, this coverage protects against losses from events like fire, theft, vandalism, lightning, and certain types of water damage. It is important to note that it usually excludes damage from floods, earthquakes, wear and tear, or pests. If you live in an area prone to floods or earthquakes, you can often add separate policies for those risks. The amount of personal property coverage you have is often linked to your dwelling coverage, which is the amount insured on your home itself. Many policies provide personal property coverage equal to about 50% of the dwelling coverage limit. For example, if your home is insured for $100,000, your personal property coverage might be around $100,000. You can adjust this limit based on your needs by assessing the total value of your belongings. When it comes to how you are reimbursed after a loss, there are two main methods. The first is actual cash value, which pays the replacement cost minus depreciation. This means you receive less for older items. The second method is replacement cost, which pays the full amount to replace the item with a new one of similar kind and quality, without deducting for depreciation. It is essential to have personal property coverage because many people underestimate the total value of their belongings. Creating an updated home inventory listing your possessions and their estimated values can help ensure you purchase adequate coverage. This is especially relevant for Black communities and others who may face barriers to recovering losses without sufficient insurance support. In practical terms, personal property coverage helps protect your financial stability by reducing the burden of replacing essential and cherished items after unexpected events. It supports rebuilding your household and maintaining your quality of life without undue hardship. Understanding the details of personal property coverage, including what is covered, coverage limits, and how claims are settled, allows you to make informed decisions about your homeowner's insurance. This knowledge helps you select coverage that fits your circumstances and safeguards your assets effectively. If you have special or high-value items, consider adding scheduled coverage to avoid gaps in protection.